Have the structural supports for the rooftop section been finalized?
Yes, the latest projection shows optimal weight distribution.
The engineering behind the $5 million motorhome is visible here. Inside a Chinese factory, the $5 million rooftop pool motorhome that shocked the world.
This measurement point here seems slightly off the baseline.
No, wait, the calibration adjusted. It is within tolerance. Look at the deflection on the rear mount right here. I see it. It's exceeding tolerance at 400 kilonewtons.
Rerunning the simulation now.
Check the tolerances here. See if the data matches.
Yes, everything is perfectly aligned now.
This area near the pool is showing too much stress.
Running the bracing adjustment now.
There, optimal load achieved. The wiring harness matches the schematics here.
Confirmed. We can proceed to the next stage.
The alignment on the starboard coupling is still off by 0.01.
Adjusting the tertiary reflector now. The calibration should be stable.
Check the voltage on the starboard side connection.
It's stable. The robots are performing within tolerance.
Voltage reading steady at 24.1 volts.
Acceptable range. The thermal metrics are also green.
The voltage stabilization is complete.
Confirmed. The energy flow is optimized across all modules.
Airflow is stable at 250 CFM.
Good balance. We can seal this section.
The reinforcement looks solid. We are well within the safety margins.
Confirmed. The laser scan shows perfect alignment and density.
Monitor the alignment on Sector 4. It's holding steady. We are cleared for the final approach.
The pressure is holding steady at maximum load.
Noted. The structural integrity is confirmed.
The massive lifting glass panels for the rooftop are transported using advanced magnetic levitation. almost there. How's the seal looking?
Solid. The gauge is holding steady.
Look at the pressure drop in Sector 4.
Confirmed. The seal is compromised. Logging the leak now.
Make sure the overlap is secure.
Yes, I'm hitting the seam now.
The target depth has been reached. Slow the flow to a trickle.
Confirmed. Stress metrics are nominal.
The full water fill test is critical. This much weight requires absolute structural integrity.
No fluctuation detected in the past 6 hours.
It seems the design is holding up perfectly under stress.
This is where luxury meets precision engineering. Each one of these magnificent vehicles costs upwards of $5 million.
Make sure the alignment is perfect on the top edge.
It's exactly 3 millimeters, consistent with the channel.
Initiating the lighting sequence now. Check the climate controls.
Confirmed. All systems are green, including the pool monitor.
结构完整性没有问题。
好的，流体动力学检查通过了。
Engine and electrical synchronization complete.
Pool and HVAC systems online.
All parameters nominal.
Everything is satisfactory. We can proceed with a final approval.
Confirmed.
Agreed. Agreed.
This is where the custom air suspension earns its keep, isolating the chassis completely from even the most severe impacts.